हेलो मेरे पढ़ाकू बच्चों, हम आज स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं इंपॉर्टेंट टॉपिक सम ऑफ फर्स्ट एंड टर्म्स ऑफ एन एपी. You know 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11 is an AP. Suppose we want to sum up to 100 terms. Then how we calculate? 1 plus 3, 4, 4 plus... No, it is not possible. Or it will take a long time. So here, suppose AP is A plus D, A plus 2D and so on. Let it be the last term, say L. And here last term means nth term. You know yesterday's formula, L equals to A plus n minus 1 into D. This is the value of last term. Now if it is last term, we are going from left to right, then adding plus D. And if we come back from L, then the previous term will be L minus D. One more back, L minus 2D and so on. We want to add all these terms. And suppose its addition is nothing but S for sum. We can write one more time the same S, but not first to last, this time last to first. So last term, last minus 2D and so on. It is A plus D and A plus 2D. Bolo, clear? Sequence is same, this pen is same. We'll put here like this, next time we'll put like this. Series is there. Now if we add these two, what we are getting? 2S. This is nothing but A plus L. Second time again A plus L. Third time again A plus L. And so on. Every time we are getting A plus L. See, every time we are getting A plus L. A plus L, A plus L, A plus L, A plus L. How many times? Since these are n terms, it means n times A plus L. Very simple. आपके पास 5 rupees के 100 coins हैं, तो कितने पैसे? 5 into 100. The same thing, n A plus L, that is n into A plus L. But our aim is to calculate S. So S is nothing but A plus L. This is the first important formula. एक इसकी स्टोरी सुनाता हूँ. गॉस मैथमेटिशियन बहुत छोटे थे. क्लास में सब्स्टिट्यूशन के दिन कोई क्लास टीचर नहीं आया तो दूसरे टीचर को भेज दिया. उन्होंने सोचा पूरी क्लास को बिजी कैसे रखें, तो उन्होंने क्या कहा, पूरी क्लास को 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 4 5 6 up to 100 तक टोटल करो. अब बच्चे तो सब टोटल करने लग गए. एक में 1 में 2 जोड़ा 3, 3 में 6, 6 हो गया, 6 plus 4 10 हो गया, 10 plus 5 15 हो गया. कितना टाइम लगेगा? गॉस तभी से दिमाग मैथमेटिकल. उन्होंने क्या किया, डायरेक्ट आंसर बोला 50-50. अभी ईयर क्या चल रहा है 2020, और उन्होंने आंसर क्या बोला 50-50. अब टीचर ने सोचा ये 50-50 आंसर इतना जल्दी कैसे बोला. उन्होंने डिराइव किया ये फॉर्मूला. कैसे लगाया? 1 to 100, then write like this. Add these two. Every time 101, 101, 101, 101, same thing. So 101, how many times? Yes, 50 times. Because 1 pair, 2 pair, 3 pair, and so answer is 50-50. Because total n 100, so he applied n by 2, that is 50. And first plus last, 1 plus 100, answer is 50-50. So this formula is nothing but the same formula what Gauss applied there. Now, is the first formula for summation. But what is L? L means nth term. So we can put the value of n here. L means A plus n minus 1 into D. What we are getting? N by 2. A and A 2A plus n minus 1 into D is the second formula for summation of AP. When first term, last term and n given, then we apply first formula. When n, A and D given, then we apply second formula. Very easy. For example, some questions from Ncert book. Say first sum, find the sum of a series whose first term 8 second term 3 minus 2 and so on. You have to calculate up to 22 terms. N means, first you write N means 22, A means 8, D means 3 minus 8 minus 5, and you know A and D, it means you have to apply formula number 2. S equals to N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is the answer. Simplification आता ही आपको. So 11 into 16 minus 11, 21 into 5. See, 16 minus 21 into minus 5. So here 11 into 16 minus 105. Now use rough column every time. 105 of minus and 16. That is 89. So here we write 89 of minus, minus out, 11 into 89, 9, 8, 9, 8. Answer is 979 of minus is the answer. So in this way you will get the solution of the any type of question where we have A, N and D. One more question based on A and L. By the way, question is given in the form of 24, 21, 24, 21, 18. This time S is given 78. Question is reverse. This time they are asking for number of terms. Formula is the same because you know A, N and D. What is A? 24. What is D? This minus this. And what is S? We have to calculate number of terms. So first we write the formula. N by 2, 2A plus N minus 1 into D is the S. S is given to you 78. N by 2, 2A means 48, N minus 1 and D is given minus 3. Expand it. 78 into 2. 156. Here it will become N into 48 minus 3N plus 3. So it is a quadratic equation 48 and 3. Direct write down 51N and minus 3N square. Here 156. Revision of quadratic equation. 3N square minus 51N minus, so plus 156 equal to 0. It will cancel out with 3. जितना 3 से छोटा हो जाए हम पढ़ चुके quadratic में. Cut it. So n square minus 17n plus 52 0. Factorize 52 prime factor such that we'll have 17 as the sum. So start with 2, 26, 2, 13. Very simple. 4 and 13. So here n square 13n 4n 52. If you factorize, what we are getting, n minus 13 and n minus 4. So n equals to nothing, that is 4 or 13. Why we have two answers? Sum of 4 terms is same as sum of 13 terms. Very important conceptual value. Why we have two answers and both are positive, both are acceptable answers. N13 and N4. See, if 18 minus 3, that is 15. If we add these terms, we are getting 78. Just sum it. 78. And sum of 13 terms. Again total 78. How it is possible? These 4 terms 78 and these 13 terms again 78. What is the meaning? Meaning is somewhere you will get 0, some positive terms, some negative terms. It means these positive terms and these negative terms will cancel out each other. कहने को तो वो कितनी terms हैं? 4 के बाद 9 terms. But these 9 terms cancel out each other. आपने 2 रुपए एक गुल्लक में डाले, दूसरे बच्चे ने 2 रुपए निकाल लिए. अगले वाले में आपने 5 रुपीस डाले, दूसरे बच्चे ने 5 रुपीस निकाल लिए. तो 10 बच्चों ने डाले मगर 5 ने डाले और 5 ने निकाले, टोटल क्या हुआ? 0. The same thing is here. So these 9 terms total is 0. So answer of 4 terms or 13 terms both acceptable. The reason is very clear. Now we start some questions from Ncert Exercise 5.3. Question number 2, third part. First term given, second term given, third term given, and last term is also given. We want to calculate the sum. This last term 230. So first we want to calculate n. Last term a plus n minus 1 into d. D means this minus this, that is minus 3. So here we'll get minus 5, minus 3n plus 3 and minus 230. Our aim is to calculate n first. So 3n equals to 230 minus 2, 228 divided by 3 is n. So n equals to 76. Now when you know the value of n, a, d, you can calculate s. So here s equals to n by 2, the first plus last, first plus last. That is 236, 28, and here it is minus 235. When you multiply these two, what you are getting? The final answer. Easy? One more. A13. You know 13 term means a plus 12d is given 37. D is given 3. That is a equals to 37 minus 36, that is 1. Now you know a, you know d. We want to calculate a, so a is 1. Sum of 12 terms. So apply the formula of sum of 12 terms. 2a plus 12 minus 1 into d. D is already with us. So what we are getting? 6 into 2 plus 11 into 3, 33. That is 35 into 6, 210. Correct? Now fifth sum. S is given 400, L is 45, A is 5. But two unknowns, N and D. That's why this question is important. From the first equation, 45 equals to A. A means given 5. A plus N minus 1 into D. Because both the things not given. N and D not given. That's why equation number 1. Second equation, 400, that is sum N by 2. 2A plus N minus 1 into D. D is not given. But the important point, see, 2 into 4, 800. This is n into 10 plus. Now important part starts here. N minus 1 into d. See, n minus 1 into d is nothing but 40. What a simple question. Again, n minus 1 into d from here, 40. So substitute here, 40, 50. So n into 50 equals to 800. N equals to 800 divided by 50. That is 16. When n is 16, you can calculate d easily. Substituting equation number 1. N equals to 16. That is d. So 40 divided by 15 is d. That is 5358. 8 by 3 equals to d. Very good question. Because two terms unknown. That is n and d. Next sum is sum number 9. S is given up to 7 terms. Up to 7 terms means 7 by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d. This is given to you 49. Similarly, 17 terms total. That is 2a plus 17 minus 1, 16d is given as 289. Our aim is to calculate a and d. और जब a और d हमारे पास आ जाएगा तो s n भी आ जाएगा. So how we calculate? We have two equations and two unknowns. You know linear equations in two variables. So here this will become 2 into 49. 2 into 49. And this will become 17. 2a plus 16d equals to 2 into 289. Correct? 7 cancel out with 7. 17 cancel out with 17. Now easy. 2a plus 6d is nothing but 14, and 2a plus 6d, 16d is nothing but 34. Linear equations, you know very well, mastery is method. 2a cancel out, minus 10d equals to minus 20. So d is nothing but 2. When you know the value of d equals to 2, substitute in any one of the equation and get the answer. So I'll substitute here d2. 6 to 12, 2a equals to 14 minus a equals to 1. A equals to 1, d equals to 2, Sn formula, n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 into d, that is 2. So final answer is n by 2, 2 plus 2n minus 2, 2n to cancel out, n by 2 into 2n, that is only n square. Answer, sum of n terms equals to n square. Clear? So in this way, half of the exercise 5.3 we have completed. आधी एक्सरसाइज जिसमें वर्ड प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं, डेली लाइफ रिलेटेड प्रॉब्लम्स भी हैं, एक और लेक्चर लेके आते हैं, लेकिन तब तक क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 तक कंप्लीट कर लेंगे। एनसीईआरटी होमवर्क अप टू क्वेश्चन नंबर 10 पढ़ लेंगे। अपने फ्रेंड्स को लॉकडाउन में पढ़ने के लिए मोटिवेट करिए, शेयर करिए, लाइक करिए और सब्सक्राइब करना नहीं भूलना है। क्यों? क्योंकि अगला लेक्चर कब मिलने वाला है उसकी घंटी तभी बजेगी।